Hi everyone, this is Erika Bennett with South Georgia Medical Center, and I'm here today with our President and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Ronnie Dean.
Hi Erika.
We are here outside of our ambulatory surgery center, and we have actually reopened yesterday our drive-through COVID-19 testing line. As you can see behind us, the cars are wrapped all the way around this parking lot to the street, so the demand is high. Mr. Dean, what are we seeing in regards to COVID-19?
Well, COVID is real, and it's real serious. Hospitalizations are climbing throughout the state of Georgia and South Georgia, and even here in this region. More and more positives are being identified in the community. I guess if there's something good that's going on, I would say more people are tuned in and they're being tested when they think they're symptomatic, and even more are being treated on an outpatient basis through our infusion center. But I have to say the sad part about it is the supermajority of those that have become inpatients and are on a ventilator are the unvaccinated. Today, Erika, we have 79 COVID positive patients in the hospital, and the average age is, I think, in the mid-50s. 86% have not been vaccinated, so I'd say it's still real, and I'd ask the public to pay attention and do what's required. Let's see if we can get our arms around this thing by becoming vaccinated.
All right, Mr. Dean, with all of this going on, the testing, the enhanced access to treatment and vaccinations, and just an increase in overall patient volume, right, what kind of impact does this have on our staff? Well,
I mean, it's hard. We take care of a lot of patients, but this kind of demand is extraordinary. And but we're doing it, and that's the beauty of this South Georgia Medical Center staff. When we asked them to stand up this drive-through testing 24 hours ago, I didn't think they would have 700 cars coming through, and they did right after it was open. And they handled it, and they're taking care of everybody with a smile. You can see folks walking around in the background here. These are maintenance engineers. That's not their day job, but they're out in the hot sun helping us figure out how to move these cars that are wrapped around this parking lot. So it's significant. We talk about our nurses, our respiratory therapists, our medical staff. The hospital's full, and 79 of the patients are COVID patients, and there's a tremendous demand. Another example is we opened up this infusion center to move it outside of the emergency room to make it more convenient for patients to come in, be treated, and leave instead of waiting in the emergency room lobby. Well, a credit to our staff figuring out how to get the staff put together in order to do what we do in there with this monoclonal antibody infusion. And then Saturday, vaccinations, 400 plus came through Saturday. It was just a great testament to the healthcare workforce. And what I would say to everybody is, yeah, I'm proud of South Georgia Medical Center, but I'm proud of the healthcare workforce, in this region, this state, this nation. I mean, they step up and do what others won't do or aren't prepared to do, and they just need a shout out. So, yes, very proud of them. They're working hard. They are tired. And all of our kind words and gestures and just make the biggest difference in the world.
Yes, I definitely encourage you that if you know someone who works in healthcare during this time, reach out to them, check on them, give them a kind word, or send them a nice little treat, just anything to help their morale, because they are definitely working hard.
They are.
And is there anything else you wanted to share?
I'd just say vaccinations help. Please listen to your physician. There are a lot of people with a lot of so-called useful information talking to us. I'd say just narrow it down to the best source. Listen to your doctors. They know what's best for you. They've been treating you. They've been prepared to make these decisions for us when we can't make them on our own. I just ask you to consider those facts. The more we get vaccinated, the quicker we return to a pre-pandemic normal, whenever that will be. But COVID is real, and it's real serious, and what I want for you and your family is for you to be safe. And that's what we want for our families, all that come here and work, and all that we care about. So just think about vaccination. If you're undecided, decide to get vaccinated today. And if you need to, reach out to us at www.sgmc.org, and we'll give you more information. We'll direct you. We'll help you find whatever you need from that standpoint.
Thank you, Mr. Dean, for sharing this important information and helping us educate our community so that we can make informed decisions. Please follow us on our social media accounts, and also check out our website before you come to access something, just to make sure you're going to the right place and you're eligible for that, so that we can make things convenient for you. But we definitely want to thank you for taking time to watch this information, and please share it with your family and friends.